Hello sellers! What is the secret weapon for sellers in today's market? The answer is seller concessions. Seller concessions can be the secret weapon to attract more buyers and get your home sold faster. Let us talk about what they are and why they matter. Hi, I am Suma, Sridhar-Realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. First of all, what is a seller concession? Seller concessions are when a seller offers to cover some of the buyer cost, things like closing cost, repairs, or even helping to buy down their mortgage rate. For the past few years, sellers had the upper hand, but as the market shifts, flexibility is key to get top dollar for your home. And with inventory rising, nearly 1 in 4 sellers offered concessions in 2024. Throwing extra help give buyers peace of mind on their purchase and can also sweeten the deal. And the best part is, these costs don't come out of your pocket upfront. They are simply deducted from your profits at closing. Offering concessions in a shifting market will help you to attract more buyers and make your home stand out in a competitive market. Plus, concessions can possibly speed up the sale and avoid long days on the market and price deductions. Most importantly, it can help to keep the deal from falling apart by meeting buyers halfway instead of losing them. Bottom line, offering the right concessions at the right time can help you to sell faster and for more money. The key is negotiation strategy, and that's where I come in. So, if you are thinking about selling, let us talk about how to get the best deal for you. Reach out to my team and I so we can prepare a marketing plan to strategize the best return on your investment. Give us a jingle. Once again, this is Suma, the realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area, helping buyers, sellers and investors with integrity and excellence. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching and hope your day is filled with joy and success. Take care.